everyone, this is Faye. Today I feel like I ate 10 years backwards for this tutorial. So yeah, I will be showing you the student makeup tutorial. And now let's get started. First of all, I'm going to apply foundation all over my face. Since it's for school makeup, so I choose BB cushion which contains high moisturizer and has a good staying power. And then I'm going to cover my dark circles with a concealer. This is really essential, especially if you have been staying all night for studying or doing the homework, right? After that, I'm going to slightly contour my face with a shading powder. It can help to reduce the appearance of swollen or pillow face in the morning. And then with the same shading powder, I'm going to use it as an eyeshadow and apply it all over my eyelids. Remember, don't put too much or it will be too obvious. Next, I'm going to fill in my eyebrow with an eyebrow powder. Draw the eyebrow following your natural eyebrow shape and then at the inner part, blend it out a little bit by using your finger like this. Next, I'm going to apply a light brown shadow onto the other corner of my eyes and I'm going to blend it inwards a little bit along the eyeline as well. After that, I'm going to apply it under my eyes to make the eye gloss. This is actually an eyebrow powder with a cushion applicator, but I like to use it as eyeshadow to give a deeper illusion on the eye. And then I'm going to apply the eyeliner. I highly recommend to use the pencil type instead of a liquid eyeliner for school makeup. Apply it as close as possible to the upper lash line and then draw it a little bit longer at the end like this. I like to apply it onto my waterline as well, since this eyeliner is not that pigmented, so it still has a natural look in the eye. And next, I'm going to apply shimmery shadow onto my lower lid like this. Next, I'm going to curl my eyelashes and apply a mascara. The mascara I'm using for this tutorial is a skinny mascara which is really good for natural eye makeup. I'm going to apply a little bit highlighter onto my nose. This highlighter is not that shimmery, so it looks nice in the day. And then I'm going to apply a little bit blusher onto my cheeks. Last, I'm going to apply pink lip tint onto my lips and blend it out using my finger. Now, the makeup is done. This is the finished look. I hope it can be helpful for you. I know school already started. I hope it's not too late for this tutorial, and honestly I feel so weird because I'm not a high school student anymore. Let me know what you guys thinking about this tutorial in the comments below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!